In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record donations in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple yet crucial task to ensure your financial records are accurate and compliant. It's important to keep track of donations, whether you're donating on behalf of your company or managing personal finances. So, let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow. To begin, navigate to the top left of your screen where you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on it to get started. Once you've done that, you'll want to select Expense from the drop-down menu. Choosing Expense helps QuickBooks categorize this transaction properly, setting the stage for accurate reporting. Next, it's time to specify the payee, which is essentially the person or the organization to whom you have donated the money. Search for the name in the payee field and select it. If it's a new payee and not yet listed in your contacts, you'll have the option to add a new one. Make sure the information is correct, as this helps maintain the integrity of your financial data. After selecting the payee, your next step is to choose the payment account. This refers to the account from which you made or will make the donation. It could be your checking account, savings account, or even a credit card. Selecting the correct payment account is crucial, as it directly affects your cash flow reporting. Now, here's where you create the category details for the donation. You're going to need to add a new account specifically for these donations. Think of a suitable name for this account, ideally something straightforward like donations or charitable giving. This helps you easily identify the transaction type in future reviews. When setting up this new account, you need to set its account type to expenses. QuickBooks uses the account type to organize your transactions in financial reports, so setting it to expenses is critical for proper categorization. Then, proceed to set the detail type to charitable contributions. This added specificity is helpful for generating more detailed reports and for providing clarity to anyone else who might review your financial records. With these details in place, remember to click Save. This ensures that your new category details are stored and can be reused for future donations, saving you time down the line. And there you have it. Now you just need to input the donation amount. Make sure you've got the right figure in here, as accuracy is key for balanced books. Once that's done, click Save and Close to finalize the transaction. That's all it takes to record a donation in QuickBooks Online. I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow, helping you manage your finances with confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.